This is video 7 in a series of step-by-step tutorials on how to best harness Google Hangouts for webinars with a simple software interface that makes setting up, presenting, broadcasting and publishing webinars incredibly simple. To quickly recap, in video 1 I show you how you can easily configure and get your live Hangouts running and published in as little as 3 to 4 minutes. In video 2, I show you how you can position yourself as an expert in your field with professionally designed webinar registration pages. In video 3, I cover the importance of a well-crafted thank you for joining the webinar page and how you can set one up in as little as a minute. In video 4, I show you how you can easily set up your webinars with a payment gateway. So if you want, you can charge a registration fee to attend your training or coaching webinars. In video 5, I show you how simple it is to build your customer list while you're generating registrations for your webinars. In video 6, I show you how communicating with your webinar registrants pre and post webinar day will maximize your attendee numbers and ultimately your sales revenue. Now, you might be thinking that's a lot of stuff that you can do with webinars, but there's more. In this video, I'm going to show you how webinarjam allows you to keep track of all analytics. It keeps track of all vital statistics that you need to know in order to do a sophisticated follow-up email campaign. Inside the dashboard, you get traffic analytics and sales analytics, such as how many unique visitors you got to your webinar registration page, how many accepted the invitation to attend your webinar, how many actually attended your live event, and how many watched your replay. Inside the dashboard, you also get to see how much revenue you generated from your registration fees. If this was set up as a fee-paying webinar, of course, the number of sales and gross revenue from any product or service you sold on your webinar, the conversion rate, earnings per click, and earnings per attendee. You can even download your reports in an XML spreadsheet for further analysis. In my next video tutorial, in this series, I'm going to show you a very cool way to sell your product or service with clickable buy buttons right inside the webinar window that makes selling your product incredibly simple. To find out more about webinarjam, go to webinarjams.com/promo or click the links in this video, YouTube video, to watch any of the other video tutorials.